We've got another Grossery Gang unboxing today. Last time we had the Scabby Crab and the Mucky Duck, and oh boy, were they fun. This time, still Putrid Power, the Series 3, and we'll see what we get. All right. We still got the same can style here. Still great, says the Grossery Gang. And a lot of detail printed into this thing. All right. Again, we've got these two little yellow bags and our collector's list. And this thing, remember, is huge. So, we're looking, maybe you'll get some of these fun oil-stained groceries or some of these shiny groceries, but we'll see what we get. And okay, it's a pair of boxing gloves. Okay, and this guy, what would that be? His left hand has got quite a punch because he's missing all his teeth, a black eye. They're both covered in goop. Oh, this is great. Who else did we get this time? Oh. This item, is it a goldfish? I think it's a fish. It's just, this is a great shape for a fish. He's got these tiny little fins, and is that just, I don't know. Oh, he's great. Okay, so we've got this blob of a fish and these punching gloves. All right, let's see which ones we got here. So we're looking for some gloves, and oh, there it is, the slob fish. All right, and then where are those gloves? Oh, there they are, the busted boxing gloves. Well, these two are another fun part of this Grossery Gang, and they're gonna fit right in.